Hi friends, welcome to today's video. I know this video is way past due and I wanted to get this out so much sooner, and it is almost halfway through summer already, but I've been so busy enjoying summer and doing things outdoorsy that my mind wasn't set to do editing and being inside. So I apologize for that, and I still wanted to get this video out to you. I was thinking maybe I should get it out next year, but I thought no, I still am going to share it with you. If you saw my last video, which I will link in the description box below, you know that I teamed up with my friends at Linkind again for this summer to light up my backyard, and I'm going to be turning it into a beautiful midsummer oasis. So let's quickly get started. Using the pressure washer always takes quite a long time for me because I have to put everything out of the way and then go over it with the pressure washer, which takes a lot of time. So usually this takes about a day, and then I continue the next day, and here it is a very nice sunny day, perfect for cleaning and decorating. Now this DIY pallet bench, you guys, I cannot emphasize enough how happy I am with this. This turned out to be one of my best projects ever. It's been going strong for over 3 years now, and it looks like it's gonna last for many years to come. I noticed that you do have to protect your stuff if you want them to last. I clean and cover them up for the fall and winter season. A couple of years ago, I did an unboxing video of this Keter Deckbox, you guys, and I am so loving this. It has helped me out so much. If you want to see that video, I totally recommend you watch it. I will link it in the description box below. Now, I did buy a new Keter Deckbox, and I will share that with you in one of my upcoming videos. I just love this brand, you guys. This is not sponsored, but if you are looking for outdoor furniture and storage boxes, I think the brand Keter is the one to go with. They are so reliable, so strong, so sturdy, and of very high quality. And like I said, it is not sponsored. This is just my personal experience. Two years ago, I invested in this outdoor IKEA rug, and I am so glad that I did that because every year I was buying new outdoor rugs and they wouldn't last even the entire season. And I was really tired of just spending my money like that. So I thought really hard what I wanted in this space, something that I know that I will like for a long time to come. This IKEA rug has been a great investment so far. There are so many types of geraniums. I do not know what they are called, but I know that these types, I am definitely not buying them anymore because I do not like the way they bloom. They go really slow and not really abundantly. I do have some that you saw in my last video, how beautiful those grow, and also the ones that I had on my front patio, those are really nice. So these ones, I don't think that they are for me, so it's the last time I'm buying these for this space. thrifted these pink covers a while back and I don't think I've ever used them, and this spring I thrifted the exact same ones but in yellow for my indoor couch. And the inserts of those yellow ones I'm using here because these pink ones, they didn't came with the insert, and I was happy that I got them with the yellow ones, so I'm finally able to use them here in my outdoor space. You know how I like pink for my outdoor space. I think it is so colorful, just brightening up the space and giving all that summer vibe. In my previous video you saw where I spray painted some of my outdoor lanterns yellow, and this one is one of them, and I really love this color for summer. It is just giving me the happy vibes. Some plants, the more space they have, the bigger they grow. And this hydrangea, you guys, I repotted this last year into this bigger pot, and it has grown even bigger, and I was thinking of getting an even bigger pot for it, but I'm not sure yet. Every year I keep thinking of different ways to decorate my fence, and sometimes I just do not have the time. So when that's the case, like this year, I just go with these outdoor canvases that I have. I do have a couple of them, and I thought I would stick to a very simple and neutral canvas. I have two of the same, and I'm just going to be hanging them up in a different direction so that they don't look all too matchy. They've been rolled up for quite some time, but these creases will sag in time. I got these up and down solar lights for my fence here, and I love how they look here when the sun goes down. Now that I have my canvases up, they cover some of the screws where I can hang up these solar lights, so I'm not able to hang all of them this year, and that's okay because it does give my backyard a different look. The reason that I hung that basket or planter a little bit more to the right is because I'm going to fill those two spaces up with these two solar lights that I recently picked up, and I really love this, you guys. They are plastic, so that's great for outdoors, and they were only $2.49. And yeah, you can put them sitting down on a table, or you can hang them, and I'm going to hang them over there on my fence. I didn't want to drill more holes into my fence, and then I remembered I had these plant hangers for a while that I didn't use. I thought I would use them to hang the lanterns on, and I'm just trying it out because I don't know if I really like the look of it, and it turned out that I actually didn't. So you're gonna see where I'm going to be using these lanterns instead. I got this umbrella a few years ago, and I think it's actually too small for this space because, as you can see, it doesn't cast a lot of shadow, and I've been thinking of getting a bigger one, but for now I am happy with this movable umbrella stand because it allows me to move it around so I can play around with the shadow. In my last video, I did the unboxing of these RGB solar pathway lights by Linkind. In case you wanna see that video, I will link it in the description box below. So I'm not gonna be talking all full about these because I explained everything in details in that video. Now this box is a pack of 8 solar lights, and you already saw where I used the first 4, and now I'm going to show you where I'm going to be placing the other 4. Now I've been using their solar lights for over a year now, and I am so satisfied, and I can totally recommend them if you're in the market for some new solar lights for your outdoor space. Then again, I highly recommend you check out their website and see what they have for you, because they have different lights for different purposes. Now these two I'm going to be placing on each side of the Pallet Sofa bench, and I am in love with this because I do not have to turn them on and off. They go on and off by themselves, as you know. And in previous years I did have some USB chargeable outdoor LED lights here that weren't on a timer, and I had to turn them on and off, and I didn't feel comfortable. Even though they were for outdoor, I didn't feel comfortable leaving them out in the rain, but these are a perfect replacement for those. And that's gonna be all for this video. I'm gonna leave you now with a small tour showing you what the lights look like in the evening. And don't forget to go and check out Linkind's website to see what they got for you. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I see you in my next one. Bye!